Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making buttermilk cornbread. If you have to bring something for a potluck, this cornbread is perfect because it yields about 15 servings. So to start, we have to combine all our dry ingredients in a big bowl. So right now I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we have to add 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of light brown or golden brown sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. So we just have to combine all our dry ingredients. So after you combine all the dry ingredients, just whisk it together. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as everything is well combined. And we're able to remove all the big lumps. And now it's time to combine all the wet ingredients, starting with 1 cup of oil. You can use vegetable oil or canola, 4 large eggs, and 2.5 cup of buttermilk. So we're gonna use the electric mixer to get it mixed up. And now, using an electric mixer, we're gonna beat all our wet ingredients until well combined. Once it's well combined, we can start adding our dry ingredients little at a time. So we're just gonna keep doing this until all the wet and the dry ingredients are well combined. So I just finished combining both the wet and the dry ingredients, and if you look at the batter, you will see small chunks, and it's normal for your batter to appear a little bit lumpy. It wouldn't affect your cornbread later on. So I think it's ready to place on a baking pan. So before you place the batter in a baking pan, you have to grease it first. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil, whichever you prefer. I'm using canola oil. And just don't forget to grease the sides as well. Okay, so I just transferred the batter in a baking pan, and now it's ready to go in the oven on 350 degree for 50 to 55 minutes depending on the oven that you have.